Hi, I'm Meng Wang, a graduating PhD from Boston University. I am the CTO of Orbeus, and I am in charge of the research and development of the algorithms. My childhood passion is building computers. At Google, the one thing that most amazed me was their cloud computing infrastructure. This cloud computing idea roots deeply in my mind. So on returning to BU, I started to build my own cloud computing infrastructure. Thanks to my school, I got many computer parts for free. You can imagine how exciting I was when I discovered many computer parts lying around the dumpster waiting to be processed. I saved them and reassembled them to working computers, one by one. Now we have 6 working machines, which are serving as the backbone for Orbeus. Computer vision is my passion. My ultimate goal of life is to build a computer that is conscious and capable of living in human society. It seems a little far-fetched, and I know I need to build something more basic at first. As a start, I decided to design a set of algorithms that mimic the human vision system. That's the logic behind my PhD research and countless weekend projects. It is when I was at YouTube that the idea of building a computer vision-based visual monetization tool came to me. Having been to YouTube and Hulu, I know what's their pain points, which is the lack of relevant video content to monetize. I believe advanced computer algorithm could help them greatly. Then I met Tianqiang, who shared an interest in computer vision. We start building from scratch, and in nearly 2 weeks, we had our first demo project running on our in-house data center. It is extremely fun to build something together. Tianqiang is the COO of our company. He is in charge of the team building as well as research and development of the algorithms. Before Orbeus was founded, he was trapped in the implementation with a dynamic programming-based, non-rigid object recognition algorithm, which was his master project. The goal was to achieve real-time processing. However, the algorithm was time and space-consuming, thus easily ran out of memory. Although he developed an approximation algorithm eventually, he was engrossed with the image and video big data problems and started to think of an optimal way to resolve it, especially for ones who do not have enough computational resources. When Tianqiang was a college student, his talent on graphic design was recognized by his peers. Without any formal art education, he won the champions on both of logo design competition and web design competition at his college. Meanwhile, he was fascinated with Adobe Photoshop and graphics design. With his background on computer science, he was curious about how these images editing softwares were created. Out of curiosity, he joined the multimedia lab during his junior year. His first project was video encoding and decoding on digital signal processing platform. Through this project, he learned basic knowledges on image processing algorithms and hardware knowledges as well. He made the algorithm more than 20 times faster than original version based on very limited computational resources. After that, he continued doing more image and video projects. His research topic ranged from action recognition and video to multi-camera tracking, from image retrieval system to 3D reconstruction, from non-rigid object recognition to new human-computer interface design. Some of these projects were granted patent. The others were with cool demos or published papers. Within the computer vision field, he found this the perfect role for him to integrate his talents. Tianqiang is also a sociable person. He's the student leader in the university community. He served as president of Boston University Chinese Students and Scholars Association in 2010. He had raised more than $10,000 funding for this campus organization, which was higher than all of his predecessors since the organization founded in 1995. He enlarged the executive team from 10 people to more than 50 people and led the team to host several activities which had more than 1,000 participants. On this January, he mentioned the basic idea of Orbeus to Tianqiang. Together, we had several brainstorming and finally decided to build an image analysis engine based on cloud computing. Later, together we realized that even though we have enough technical skills to build it, we needed a partner with business skills and experience to lead our business development effort. Tianxiang thought of Xing, who he had met at a business plan competition, during which they competed head-to-head. Xing is the CEO of Orbeus and an MBA at MIT Sloan School of Management. Xing spent his entire life traveling back and forth between US and China since the age of 3, like a ping pong ball. Born in China, kindergarten in US, elementary school and junior high in China, senior high and college in US, then working in Hong Kong, and now back to US again. Xing is an outlier for business school student. He started to build an interest in the internet since age 15, when he spent a summer at Carnegie Mellon learning programming and artificial intelligence, and single-handedly built a department website in the spare time. After graduating from UC Berkeley, where Xing received a degree in applied math and a degree in economics, Xing went to join JP Morgan's technology investment banking practice in Hong Kong. Xing led the execution on a number of capital market transactions for technology companies with deal value totaling over $60 billion, including Shandai Games IPO on NASDAQ, Ambo Education's IPO on NYSE, and China Unicom and China Netcom's merger. Having worked side by side with and for a handful of successful entrepreneurs on raising funds and buying companies, Xing wanted to start something himself. So he went to attend the school that is best known for its entrepreneurship with the intention of finding the right partner. While at MIT, Xing built 2 startups, secured funding for one of them, and competed and placed in almost all the major business plan competitions. While at JP Morgan, Xing got first-hand experience working with founders and CFOs of online video companies in China, such as Youku and PP Live. Through helping these companies raising funds and drafting investment highlights, Xing noticed a key pain point for online video companies was that the online video advertising CPC and CPS rate was too low, mainly due to lacking of a good matching mechanism and the lack of metadata. Xing's ex-colleagues who are now heading corporate strategy at a few of the top online video sites in China has often expressed how frustrated they are in developing a good visual recognition technology to match visual objects to meaning. Orbeus was naturally the perfect opportunity for 3 of us to come together, with the same dream of solving a problem that is most